What the?
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 5:15 p.m.
Okay.
At 4:34 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Milliken or 4 miles southwest of Greeley, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Piano concerto.
Impact,
To me, it just
expect damage to
West central Weld County in northeastern Colorado
damage
until
to vehicles is
5:15 p.m.
expected. Locations impacted include Greeley, Evans, Milliken, LaSalle, and Kersey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, sorry for the potato quality. I couldn't find my phone when I figured out it was under this mess I refused to clean up.